Hello to the first part of the HTML language scripting. To start off, you will need either, well, a basic Notepad will do, but I will use a Notepad++ for the sake of this video, as it allows you to select the language that you work in so that anything you create inside is highlighted with different colors to be able to see different. We were going to start off by doing our first tag. So HTML uses these things called tags, and they're written with these two signs. So what we're going to do right first is we're going to write HTML, and this is how we open a tag. And then if we write HTML like this, this is how we close a tag. So now if we save this as on a desktop, and we just call it, let's call this our first page.html. And now make sure it's saved, close it. And now as we see, it appears with the little browser icon that we use. And if we try to open it, we get this little empty page. That's it for our very first part. Thank you for watching.